Cobalt blue is closest to primary blue, so I have chosen cobalt blue, black, white for today's painting. Mountain scenery with roadway using 10 by 12 canvas board and flat brush, size 24, picking some cobalt blue and some white, mix well together for the color mixing to apply on the top of the canvas board and blend the colors together. Next, adding little white for the previous colors to the down layer of the sky. Next, for the mountain background, picking some black and some cobalt blue, mix well with an hot knife to create the first layer of the mountain like this. True blue is primary color and cannot be made by mixing any other colors together. Cobalt blue is closest to primary blue. It is a lovely but expensive pigment. Blue is the most popular color, but blue has both warm and cool variation. Now lower part of the mountain, just adding some white with the previous color to create the lighter shade and the darker shade of the top of the mountain. I have used the same brush only, I did not wash it. Now create the roadway, make darker the land part. Now adding white with the previous color for creating the curvy road. Now we have segregate the land part and the road part. So adding little more black for the land part compared than the road part. Now highlighting and a realistic look for the mountain. When more falling light on the mountain wherever we have chosen, give more white shade using an art knife, compare then the little falling light to other part of the side. Simple concept, give effect with use more white for the more light falling, give lighter shade to the less light falling of the mountain part. Using angular brush size 2 to create the real road look, draw the white line, both side and a dotted line in the middle of the road. In acrylic painting, we can build new colors and create transparency, depth and gradation easily with layering. For this layering techniques, we need to wait each layer dry before applying the next. If we apply wet paint over a wet layer, the colors may blend in ways we did not intend. So good one that as we can apply wet paint over wet for easily color mixing. The versatility of blue allows of emotions. A very good basic set of red, blue and yellow are the acrylic in primary colors, which along with black and white. Black and white are the common colors for all the paintings. A primary blue would be a blue that would match the blue on the standard color wheel. The beautiful primary color of the blue is one of the most popular color in art. Already I have done paintings in the theme of rainbow colors, which is the highlighting of one color using challenging. Everyone's life can contain all the colors. That is the main concept of rainbow colors painting. Please check it under the playlist too. In this A to Z concept, I am starting with the first alphabet A for aqua and B for blue. One color using and color creating challenging with making of single color painting or getting ready for you in my upcoming videos.